In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to GoHighLevel. So to do this, first simply go and open up GoHighLevel and switch to the sub-account you want to connect your domain with. So for example, I'll use this one right here. Now once you are inside of the sub-account that you want to connect your Namecheap domain to, simply head over into settings in the bottom left. From there, again in the bottom left, you will find domains and URL redirects. So here just go to the domain section and then here click on just connect a domain. Now here you can choose what you want to connect the domain to inside of GoHighLevel. So you can do it with a branded domain, a client portal, your WordPress site, email, or a funnel, website, store, blog, or webinar inside of GoHighLevel, which is what I want to do. So click connect. And then here simply type in the domain that you want to connect, which for me is danimakestutorials.online, and click continue. Then also add www.danimakestutorials.online. I do recommend doing this, and click continue. Now it's setting up your domain and I'll show you how you can add the DNS records in Namecheap. So it now gives you those records, so an A record and a CNAME. So first just copy the required value here for the A record and remember the host is an @ icon. Now open up Namecheap, go to your account here and then click dashboard. After doing that, you want to head over into your domain list. And then here find the domain you want to connect to GoHighLevel. So again for me danimakestutorials.online and click manage. Then here go to advanced DNS. And if you have some records set up already, first simply go and delete those records. And after doing that, click add new record and first add an A record. Again, the host was @ and then just paste in the IP address we just copied and click save changes. Now go back to GoHighLevel and do the same thing for the CNAME. So it goes to sites.ludicro and the host is www. So add new record and now add a CNAME record, host www, target sites.ludicrous cloud. It's actually so not ludicro but ludicrous cloud. And then click save changes. Now after you add the A record and CNAME or whatever records you had to add, click verify records. Now the DNS records can take even a couple of hours to propagate. Here it says up to 30 seconds and usually it is within 30 seconds, but it can even take quite a bit more time. So just gonna wait for a few minutes, or if it works instantly, that works as well of course. So just click verify records and see if it is already connected. In my case, it's actually there was a problem with that action since a domain with the same name already exists with another account. So I've already used this domain somewhere else. But basically, if you hadn't, then from here you can click verify records and then it will check if you have added the DNS records. And if you did, it will then be connected to your GoHighLevel website or funnel or whatever you connected it to. Now, if you then want to actually connect it to a specific website, just go to sites here, or you can also again do it with a client portal or whatever else you want to connect it to. So go to sites and open up the funnel or website you want to connect it to, head over into settings and then here under domain, click on the drop down, and then once the domain has been connected, you will find it in this list and then you can simply click on the domain to connect it to this funnel in this case, which can also be a website or something else. So that's how to connect a Namecheap domain to GoHighLevel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.